Hey guys, this is Smith here with Sea Hunt Boats. Today we're going to be walking through how to fill your live wells. First thing you're going to do, access your seacock valves to open up water access to your live wells. You know, one thing to note here is whenever you're running and your live wells are not in use, you always want to make sure your valves are closed. If they're open, you know, all that pressure from the high-speed pickup is coming straight to that spray head fill valve inside the live well. So first thing we're going to do here, make sure the valve's open. Once that's done, we're going to go inside the live well and open the fill valve here. Once both of those valves are open properly, go to your dash and your switch panel, find the corresponding live well switch and cut it on. And once you hear that water flowing, your live well should start filling. Now, if you want to empty your live well, pay attention because this is super important. What you're going to want to do is pull out the plug.